Hi friends, today we are doing this review for this lemon squeezer from Mainstays. It's a heavy duty die-cast aluminum material and it looks pretty tough, sturdy. I've seen those a little bit cheaper ones. They're already kind of not bad, but once you keep using it they kind of were some broke right here at this joint. This is really sturdy and it's got pretty much nice design. So let's see, we'll just open this and then we can do some review. So basically let's take it off and so it's pretty nice. It's really deep up here. It's got pretty much 7 holes. So what you do is you kind of cut the lemon in half and you make the pulp side down. That means if your lemon is this, you cut it into half and the pulp side should be on the bottom, and you just kind of press from the top. And this is very slick design with the metallic finish. So you can see the design for the top and design for the bottom one, and you just press it. It's pretty simple. It's really easy to grab the handle too, and up here looks like this joint is really built in really good quality. Like I said, it's a heavy die cast aluminum material, so definitely, and it's a lemon squeezer. There's smaller ones that you can buy. Those are lime squeezer, a little bit of smaller size. It depends what you're looking for and what you need. So there you go, this lemon squeezer from Mainstays. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.